Esteemed delegates and guests, I would like to state my appreciation to important personalities from international, regional, and national meteorological organizations for their participation in this symposium, which above all else has been undoubtedly successful thanks to all of you. 6 keynote lectures and about 40 papers and posters were presented in the symposium to show and share the experiences of the international community of metrologists, manufacturers of measuring instruments, and users of measurements, all of which are very important and topical in light of the challenges facing metrology with a view to the sustainable development of humankind. Metrology, the science of measurements and their applications, is present in basically every activity of our daily life. Hence, its direct impact, provided it is applied in a reliable, comparable, and safe manner on a country's economic, political, and social development. Despite the global problems caused by the pandemic, which we are still coping with, the world keeps moving in an international setting marked by the unprecedented acceleration of scientific technical development and the use of new technologies to meet human needs. This also demands the development of new systems and instruments capable of making the measurements required in that context, as well as the sustained development of our metrological infrastructure and of new standard instruments for the assurance of those measurements. As I said in my opening words, Cuba is in the middle of a process to update its economic model, and Cuban metrology faces a challenge, namely that of guaranteeing our current measurements and the new advanced technologies that we will gradually introduce in accordance with our technological development goals. Before I finish, I invite you to participate in the 12th International Symposium of Metrology that we will hold in the year 2023. I hereby declare the 11th International Symposium Metrology 2021 officially closed. Thank you very much.